It's really accelerated. It's accelerated so fast because all corporates know that they need to really adopt deep technology. We're not talking about software and software optimization, we're talking about fundamental science that's going to be driving and powering the innovations of the future that are going to really transform and disrupt so many industries. Well, obviously it depends what type of investor you are. We're a deep tech investor, early stage, so we're very much looking at that intersection of science, engineering, and really looking at massive problems that can be solved by adopting those two technologies together and those two ways of thinking together. I personally look at SupTech, RegTech, cybersecurity. I think there's a lot of work to be done there. Then there's materials. So we've got portfolio companies, including graphene companies. We've got new technologies, battery tech. There's obviously a lot going on with net zero. So any technologies that are really going to complement those areas, you look at them. I was at my desk in the 90s. I was running a fund back in the 90s, a deep tech fund as well. And I remember that so many investors had made investments into companies that just weren't defensible. So what we do when we invest is we make sure that we're investing in stuff that has defensible IP at its core. So it means that during downturns, we're not just throwing money just to accelerate and buy customers and move those metrics. We actually have fundamental science driving these technologies. That gives us the option to be able to do exits if that company can't scale, or when they outperform, we really get some outsized returns. In terms of investors at the moment, you've really got to invest in the area that you know best. So where can you add that value to those founders and really drive that difference and encourage them just to be the best company they possibly can and have global ambition? Oh, it's been fantastic. First of all, the team at SuperVenture have been brilliant. They've looked after us all so well, really brilliantly organised. The panels have been awesome. There's been some great speakers, some really great insight as well. But for me, it was just getting back in person, seeing everybody not behind a screen again and just back in person, having dinners and drinks, obviously, and enjoying it all together and listening to some great panels together. So yeah, it's been good, really good.